Have you ever felt like, or has someone ever told you that, hey, Dr. O, you need to like shrink yourself down a little bit. You're getting a little bit too big for your britches. Has that happened to you?
Um, Again, you know what? It's such a good question. And maybe people told me uh, not to shrink, but be careful what you wish for, what you want to do, what you want to develop. But this skincare line came out of my medical practice. I was a part of the as a young physician and neurosurgeon, was a part of the civilian catastrophe group. And at some point, when we did not have antibiotics and we didn't have medications, and we still had to save lives, we use homeopathic medicine. We use something what was available to us. And this particular compound was available to us from the family, who were creating this compound for many, many centuries. And this compound is extremely healing, especially with burns, especially with infected wounds, especially with chronic severe skin problems. And I decided to use it first for post-cancer radiation burns. And that's where the Chuda started. Because an FDA process takes very long, I decided to incorporate this compound into the skincare when my patients could easily access it and use to heal chronic burns, chronic skin problems. And it just became so successful. And
That it
so,
was featured in Oprah, y'all.
yes, but and yes, and I'm very thankful that through the COVID, I was able to give it to healthcare workers, or I was able to provide this skincare to pediatric care, or to elderly care when it of for the skin wounds and stuff like this. But it's also became a staple of everyday care because of the how well this compound was made. It's extremely healing and extremely useful in an everyday care for different skin problems. So I'm glad that we developed it. I'm glad it's existing. I'm